Ang araw muli. Ngayon, ating ipagpapatuloy yung pagsosolve ng quadratic equation using the different methods. So last time, we've talked about the first method, which is extracting square roots. Doon naman, pwede nang natin gamitin yung extracting square roots kapag wala ang linear term. So this time, we'll be focusing or we'll be utilizing another method, which is the factoring method. Okay. So, yung knowledge ninyo doon sa pagfa-factor ng polynomials is very necessary. Anyway, napag-aralan naman na ninyo yung pagfa-factor nung kayo nasa grade 8. So, let's have first the first subtopic, which is the common monomial factoring. Okay. So, in this case naman, kapag common monomial factoring ang inyong gagamitin, applicable lang siya kapag yung constant term ninyo ay equal to 0. Ibig sabihin, yung value ng c ninyo dapat ay equal to 0. So, kung matatandaan natin, maaalala natin, yung standard form natin ay ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, kung sa extracting square roots, dapat ang wala ay itong linear term. Dito naman sa common monomial factoring, dapat ito ang wala. Okay, so paano ba gamitin yan? Paano ba malalaman yung roots ng quadratic equation by using the common monomial factoring? Let's have an example. So we have x squared plus 9x is equal to 0. Okay. So, in that case, wala yung value ng c or yung value ng c natin ay 0. So, it's now possible for us to determine the roots of that specific quadratic equation by using factoring method, specifically the common monomial factoring method. So, ano ba yung gagawin? So, una, we're just gonna factor the left side of the equation since yung right side naman na natin ay equal to 0. Take note that when using the common monomial factoring, it should be in standard form even the value of c is equal to 0. So let's just factor out x dito sa left side ng equation. So we have x. Okay. So, paano na makukuha yung nasa loob ng parentheses? So, x squared divided by x, that is x. Okay. But before we proceed, why did we consider x? Okay. Y is the numerical coefficient equal to 1. Okay. Kasi, in using the common monomial factoring method, when we factor polynomials by using the greatest common monomial factor, kailangan natin i-considera muna kung ano yung GCF ng numerical coefficient. So in this case, 1 and 9, ano ang GCF? Okay, it's only 1. Okay, so kahit wag na natin ilagay. Then, we'll be considering this time yung variable na magkapareho sa kanila. Okay, ano ba yung magkaparehong variable sa kanilang dalawa? Okay, correct. So, x. Okay. Then, the exponent, bakit hindi 2? Bakit hindi 1? Okay. We'll be considering the lowest exponent. So, ano ang lowest exponent ng x? Okay, so it is 1. Kaya ang dito, yung nasa labas natin, okay, is only x. Okay, so let's now continue. X squared divided by x, that is x. Then, 9 divided by 1, that is 9. So, x divided by x, that is only 1. So, kahit wag na natin ilagay, is equal to 0. Okay. So, this time, we'll be equating each factor to 0. Okay. So, kung mapapansin natin, this is a factor, this is also a factor. Kasi, the operation between these two polynomials is multiplication. Okay, so x is equal to 0. Okay, then x plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so find the value of x. Let's isolate a. So x is equal to, okay, so negative 9. Paano nakuha yung 9? Let's transpose positive 9 to the right side of the equation. Siyempre, mapapalitan yung sign from positive magiging negative. Therefore, yung roots natin ay 0, negative 9. So that is how you're gonna find the value of the values of x. Okay, let's consider this second example. Okay, so 3x squared minus 3x is equal to 0. This time naman, yung value ng a ay hindi equal sa 1. Okay, so meron tayong 3 as the value of a. Okay, so gaya ng ating nabanggit, since walang value of c or 0 yung value ng c, we can utilize the common monomial factoring method. So let's just factor the left side of the equation since it's already in the standard form. Okay. So let's consider the GCMF of the quadratic term and the linear term. Okay. So GCF muna ng numerical coefficient. Okay. So 3 and negative 3. The GCF is 3. Consider the variable that is common to them. Okay, x. Then, yung pinakamababang exponent ng x, that is 1. Okay, so kahit wag na natin ilagay. So, 3 divided by 3, 1. X squared divided by x, that is x. Negative 3x divided by 3x, negative 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So, let's now equate its factor to 0. So, 3x is equal to 0. Then x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 3, dividing both sides by 3 kasi x yung ating hinahanap para matanggal itong 3 dito or maging equal sa 1. So x now is equal to 0 divided by 3, that is 0. Then isolate the variable x. So x is equal to, transpose natin ito, magiging positive 1. Therefore, the values or the roots are 0 and 1. So that is how you're gonna find the value, the values of x or the values of the variables or generally the roots of quadratic equation by using the common monomial factoring.